We are now doing the last activity, which is the third activity, to measure the period and frequency of SA signal. So for the circuit, we are required to use time division of 0.5, and volt division is 2 volt. So now to find the period, of the circuit, simply just divide 1 over frequency. So now we know that the frequency is 90, so just divide 1 by 90 and we get the period, which is 0.01 second. So that's the period. So next task is to set the frequency to the given frequency, which is 20, 100, 500, 1000, 10,000 and 50,000. So I will show the first one, which is 20 Hertz. So to find the period, same as the previous method, just divide with the frequency, which is 1 over frequency, to get a period. So 1 divided by 20, we get 0.05 second. So for the graph, this is how it looks for the 20 Hertz with the period of 0.05 second. Now I will show the sine waveform of 50,000 Hertz. It's an enormous number. So this is how it looks. So this is the sine wave. It is very different from the first one, which is 20. The frequency is very low, but this one is very high, 50,000. So when you increase the number of frequency, the period will increase, and therefore the graph will look like that, which means it will make more complete cycles in a given period, that's the definition of frequency. So now we are done. Now we are going back to our initial setting, which is 90 Hertz. Yes, that was our original frequency. Now we will determine the voltage drop across capacitor 1, inductor, capacitor 2 and resistor. So we will put 4 voltage annotation. Inductance, second capacitor C2, last one resistance, the resistor. Okay, here we run, see all the voltage across each component that we have added, the voltage annotation. So the simulation showing every voltage across each component that we decided to measure. So for the first capacitor, this is the value. For the inductance, this is the value. Second capacitor and the resistor. So for the graph for each component, this is how it looks. So for the peak-to-peak voltage, the value is 240 volt. For the maximum voltage, it is 85 volt. And for the period, just simply divide 1 by 90 hertz, which is 0.01 seconds, and the frequency is 90 hertz. So that's all. Thank you.